Yeah, now about Euler's formula. What it is? It is a relation among faces, vertices and edges of a polyhedron. It is faces plus vertices minus edges will give 2. Euler is a Swiss mathematician who given this formula. Why is given this formula means for small number of sides in a base of a polyhedron 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 10. It is easy to calculate its faces, its vertices, its edges. But if the number is increased, that means number of sides in the base increased, that means 20, 30 like that, it is very difficult to count its vertices, its edges. To overcome these difficulty, Euler, the Swiss mathematician, given this relation among faces, vertices, and edges as f plus v minus e is equals to 2. Let us see it is true or false. We will see the first one. So see one table I drawn here. In this table some polyhedrons I took. That means cuboid, cube and triangular prism. Then after that pentagonal prism. And next column I took as number of sides in the base. Then after that number of vertices, faces, vertices and edges. Then after that I tested faces plus vertices minus edges how much. And the first one, first polyhedron cuboid. As we know, cuboid had 4 number of sides in the base. As earlier I told, cuboid is the base, so 4 number of sides in the base. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 number of bases. So it has, we know, the previous class we discussed by diagrams also, it has 6 number of faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. It has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Now I substituted these in the Euler's formula. That means face means 6, vertices means 8, minus edges as 12. Then simplify 6 plus 8, 14, 14 minus 12, 2. So f plus v minus e value I got 2 for cuboid. And second polyhedron, cube. Second polyhedron, cube I took here. We know cube also has number of sides in the base. For how like for cuboid, cube also same. And for cube, as we know, it has 6 faces, 8 vertices, 12 edges. Substitute in the formula, Euler's formula, that means faces plus vertices minus edges. That is 6 plus 8 minus 12. Again it will gives 2. And now this time I took a triangular prism. Triangular prism I took. So in this one, number of sides in the base for triangular prism, it has 3. Why? Because its base is triangular. Clearly each side have one face. So triangular prism have number of sides in the base 3. And moreover we know number of faces for triangular prism are 5, vertices are 6, edges are 9. Substitute in the Euler's formula. What it is? F plus V minus E. That means 5 plus 6 minus 9. So 5 plus 6, 11. 11 minus 9, 2. Again, I got 2 here. And one more. This time I took pentagonal prism. Pentagonal. So base is pentagon. That's why it is called pentagonal prism. So pentagonal prism clearly has 5 sides in the base. How many? 5 sides in the base. So it has 7 faces, it has 10 vertices, it has 15 edges. Now substitute in the Euler's formula. That means faces plus vertices minus edges. 7 plus 10 minus 15 is equals to 2 again. That means 7 plus 10. 17 minus 15. 17 minus 15, 2 again. So in each and every polyhedron, whatever it may be, the Euler formula giving the result as 2. So it is true for each and every polyhedron. So that means Euler's, the relation between among faces, vertices and edges according to Euler is F plus V minus E is equals to 2. So some problems we'll see on this Euler's formula.